I got to go bye-bye. I got to go bye-bye. I got to draw nigh to my Savior. I got to go bye-bye. I got to draw nigh to my Savior. I got to go bye-bye. I got to draw nigh to my Savior. I got to leave, cast of God's garments. I got to cleave, be not deceived. Whatsoever man sow, that he shall reap. And the sin I was seeping, deeping. Devil comes like a thief in the night creeping. Be watchful, keep your eyes open, no blinking. I can promise I was in sand sinking, the deep end of the pool. Got so many temptations when I was only trying to gain knowledge in school. I was slipping foolishly, ruthlessly, wanted to vacate the premises for senseless emphasis on the present storm. I thought I couldn't stand. I needed direction by the man. More than Popeye, I needed strength from that spinach can. Feeling weak and full of condemnation, agitation. I was so far from restoration. I was in the devil's plan for annihilation. I got so sick in it with it I need medication or rather meditation. Oh my God, let me know, will you still claim me alright? Will you still claim me, chastise me, put the pieces of my puzzle together, arrange me right, align me right, put me in a place where you need me right? I want to edify you until my body's lifeless and blue, but now I'm clueless. And I only seem to hear from you sporadically, because Satan's got me dealing more and more currently minded of my Bible book and searching the end time word and hope to find it. And my brain let it play the rewinded, then fast forward past my problems to reach the ladder, to get to the latter rain. Power of victory passes bitter pain. Can't even call the thoughts running my brain sane. Thoughts playing like a film, seeing someone that looked like me, but no, it must be a simulation, because it can't be me facing the sacrifice for my obedience, lack life, all the toward off track, my heart's racing. Everything's moving so fast, where's the pacing? But nothing's doing it but my God, but it's to get me to have patience and get me safe and sound of any ungodly relations. Cutting off who's already scarred my spiritual woman, crucifying her, tarnishing my garments of praise for the spirit of heaviness. I was letting Satan in, was oblivious of how much a little leaven at the whole lump. Sin was getting big like the clumps. All that trash I had to dump before God got the rod on my rump. And my posture got even more on the slump. I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump. Get rid of things that try to keep me down and go stump. But I'm a stump on the devil's neck and make his refuge of none effect. I'm going to cast him out as soon as I detect. I got to go bye-bye. I got to draw nigh to my Savior. I got to go bye-bye. I got to draw nigh to my Savior. I got to go bye-bye. I got to draw nigh to my Savior.